Well, if you diet and exercise and still can't get rid of those stubborn love handles and muffin tops, you might need a little help from our first guest this morning.
That's right. He can help you freeze the fat away with something called CoolSculpting. Welcome Dr. Matt Jones. He's with Jon Ric Medical Spa and Wellness Center in Charlotte. Dr. Jones, good morning. How are you today?
Morning, guys.
How you doing?
Doing great. How are you?
Good to see you.
Fine, thank
Good.
you. First off, tell everybody what CoolSculpting is. Explain it.
Yeah, CoolSculpting is a non-invasive way to permanently rid yourself of fat that you don't want. It's a non-surgical alternative to liposuction is the way I most commonly describe it.
Well, how does it actually work, Doc?
Yeah, so the devices use a cold to isolate out the fat and cause an injury to the fat cell layer. That injury then causes those fat cells to be reabsorbed by the body, and because fat cells are not replaced by the body, you get a permanent reduction in the number of fat cells you have in that area, and a permanent reduction in the fat in the area we treat.
What areas of the body can you treat with CoolSculpting?
Sure, it's FDA cleared to treat the entire abdomen, the sides, back fat, inner and outer thighs. We really can treat anywhere though that has pinchable fat, and the newest device that's been released treats underneath the chin. So in the video you're looking at now, this is the Cool Smooth device, which was designed to treat that saddlebag area on the outer thigh. It's really a comfortable treatment. As you can see, this lady's just sitting there playing Candy Crush and drinking a mimosa. So it's hard to beat as far as recovery time and as far as effectiveness goes.
I mean, when you talk about, liposuction, we know there's downtime from that.
Absolutely.
That is a surgical procedure, obviously. What a difference something like this is. I mean, it's just so easy to do. You can go in on your lunch hour.
Exactly, yeah. No, there's no downtime. People underestimate liposuction. It's weeks of downtime. It's drains, incisions, high risk, anesthesia, and it costs a lot of money. CoolSculpting is definitely a nice alternative for those people that don't want to deal with that.
Okay, who can benefit from CoolSculpting?
Really anybody that has pinchable fat that they don't want. Our ideal candidate is someone who is health conscious, who's eating right, exercising in those last couple of areas, but really anybody that has pinchable fat that they don't want anymore, we can get rid of for them.
So at Jon Ric Medical Spa, you have all the applicators. We saw the Cool Smooth applicator, which treats the saddlebags. You also have something called the Cool Mini. What is that for?
Correct. Yeah, the Cool Mini is the newest applicator. It was just released a few months ago. Ever since I bought the device, people wanted me to strap it on their neck, and they didn't want to choke people out. So they made a smaller device that fits on that fat that goes right underneath the chin. Really nice little device. We can use it to treat really any small area on the body that didn't fit with the larger devices.
So with the Cool Mini, anyone who has the double chin,
correct,
they can see a significant reduction in the fat in this area by using the Cool Mini.
Right, we see a 20 to 25% reduction in the number of fat cells in that area with each treatment. We can treat more than once if we need to. It really is very individualized, and that's something that you get when you come to Jon Ric as a personalized evaluation.
Okay, you said you treat more than once. How long does it take to see results?
The results start to show up usually about 3 to 4 weeks after the treatment, and it takes a full 3 months for the final results. As you see in some of these pictures, the results really can be outstanding. Most people are going to start seeing results early, and then the entire process, again, like I said, takes about 3 months to complete. So this is that under chin area. Let me look at the improvement there. Some of the skin there that she had is still there, but the fat, I mean, that's such an improvement. I mean,
it's remarkable,
it's amazing,
yeah.
Right? We can do sides, guys too, right? People think that this is just for ladies. Guys love this device because we don't ever want anyone to know that we're doing something like this, and liposuction really kind of gives that away.
Right. They're the inner thighs.
Inner thighs, right? This lady can wear corduroy again. It's great.
I'm sorry, you say it's absorbed in the body. Does that mean that it's like when, you kind of like eliminate it throughout your body just when you use the bathroom?
It's a very natural process. It's going on in all of our bodies right now. We're made up of trillions of cells. We all have millions of cells that are dead or dying on an active basis every day, and your body is identifying those cells and eliminating them through a natural process. We just cause an injury. We trick the body into using that process to eliminate the fat cells.
A lot of offices are offering CoolSculpting now, but what sets your office apart from others?
We're the only office in the Charlotte area that has a physician doing the evaluation, the consultation, and the treatment.
And
when you
him.
come to the office, oh yeah, that's me. Sorry.
That's you.
When you come to the office, you're going to see me. I'm going to do your treatment. I'll put the device on. I won't be passing you off to somebody else.
Wow, and so, you already said I'm going to go see you. We already talked about low downtime. Is there any other thing that I should be aware as a person coming to get CoolSculpting?
It really works. I know it's hard to believe. That's one of the questions that I get in every consultation. Does this really work? When you come, I'll show you the pictures that I took when I did it. There's a reason I offer this treatment. It really does work.
People can come in for a free consultation,
Absolutely.
correct? Free consultation.
Yeah.
It's great. And you have
Doesn't cost you anything to come see me.
Yeah, so if anybody's just even remotely interested,
Right.
just call the office and make an appointment,
Please do.
correct?
Would love to see you. Yeah,
All right. You
absolutely.
can contact Dr. Jones at Jon Ric Medical Spa and Wellness Center. The number is 704-665-0058. Make sure you mention Charlotte today because you've got a special offer for our viewers. What is that?
Yeah, we're going to be offering 20% off any package purchased when you come in and mention Charlotte today, in addition to the free consultation, of course.
For CoolSculpting, 20%.
For CoolSculpting, yeah.
Wow, that's big.
Great.
And all of our first-time clients get 20% off their first visit anyway, so this is in addition to that.
Wow.
Very good,
Oh,
right?
go ahead, Doc. Do your
Call
thing.
him now. You get to see Dr. Matt Jones. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Not a problem.
Appreciate you,
Good
Doc.
to see you guys.
All right, well, coming up on Charlotte today,